What's happening, guys? Got a little video for you on an RV door repair here real quick. We're going to make it short, sweet, and simple. Camera. So this one came into me because the door wouldn't shut. It would get so far and it would just kind of bind and then bounce back at me. I took a quick look at it and I discovered that these T30 Torx bits, these two bolts here, they actually started to walk out a little bit. And as what was happening is when he went to shut this door, that bolt was actually hitting on this striker and it was binding up a little bit right in here. Okay, now this striker plate also adjusts up, down, in, out. This particular one, you got a Phillips head here and you got a Phillips and flat combo here. Okay, so you can move the striker around just a little bit, about 1/8 of an inch, maybe 1/4 of an inch up, down, round and round. Another thing to check on these too, if you're having a problem, is there's two Phillips head screws right in here that help hold this whole latch and striker assembly into place. And a lot of times what happens is these screws will actually back out a little bit. It'll cause this latch to get a little bit of slop in it, and it's going to prevent you from opening and shutting the door. Alright, now this thing is smooth as butter. I got in here, I sprayed a little bit of lubricant down inside of here, up into here. This is your lock. Alright, that's your lock pin. Sprayed a little bit in there because these are known issues with these things. But now this door is sweet. I sprayed a little bit of lubricant inside the locks. Sprayed a little bit of lubricant inside of here. This one came to me yesterday. Same problem, but this door would not open. And this door ended up getting bound up. And I actually had to destroy the old latch that came out of it. Of course, I had to rip some of this trim apart in here. I had to get all this trim off of here. I had to get up in here. I had to pry on it. Same deal. This is the same kind of setup with the striker. Okay, so just want to kind of give you guys a little heads up. If you're running into problems and that door starts to bind, look in this area right here first. Okay, I ordered a latch. It's the handle latch assembly. Those things are 150 bucks a pop off Amazon. And this one, we thought we were going to run into the same issue, and then when he brought it to me, I'm like, oh no, just, you know, it came loose. And this RV isn't that old. It's probably about 10 years old. But that's what's going on. So check your Torx bolts there, okay? And it's all those are as your guides. When you shut that, those line up right with that striker. Just make sure everything's kosher. You know what I mean? You can take and pull out your handle, and you should be able to open and shut that door with very, very little resistance. So, hope that helps you a little bit. Y'all have a goody. Have a good day. We're out. Off.